Okay, number 21 and 22 of Civil Service Exam Math Review. So i-pause nyo muna, try nyo sagutan itong dalawang problem na ito. Okay, so let's start. Number 21, Miss Reyes attended a clearance sale where prices of all items were reduced by 25%. She bought a blazer priced 140 pesos and an umbrella priced 99 pesos. How much did she save on these two items? Okay, so sagutan natin ang problem natin. This discount problem to, no? So, Miss Reyes attended a clearance sale where prices of all items were reduced by 25%. Okay, so 25% off. She bought a blazer price 140 and an umbrella price 99. How much did she save on these two items? Okay, so kunin muna natin yung total ng binili niya. Ang total price ay 140 plus 99. Okay, so total price natin, total price niya ay ito yung walang discount. 140 plus 99. Okay, so equals ang total niya. Kung 100 natin pinlas, edi 240. So 99 lang ito, so magiging 239. So ito yung total, ito yung walang discount, 239. So ang tanong, how much did she save on these two items? Meron daw discount na 25%. So kunin lang natin ang 25% ng 239. So may tatlong way tayo para isolve ito ha. Pwedeng fraction, pwedeng decimal, pwedeng yung chop-chop method. So depende kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. Okay, so pag nag-fraction tayo, 25% times 239. Pinakamadali para sa akin fraction eh. Kasi ang 25% equal lang yan sa 1/4. Paano naging 1/4 yung 25%? Ibig sabihin ng percent ay over 100. So itong percent, ibig sabihin yan over 100. So 25 over 100 times 239. Tapos pag nilowest term natin ang 25 over 100, equal siya sa 1/4 kasi i-divide natin pareha sa 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So kung kabisado nyo na yung 25%, diretso na tayong 1/4. So we have 1/4 times 239. So equal na lang yan sa i-divide natin. 1 times 239 is 239 and then divided by 4. So i-manual lang natin ang division natin. Bawal ang calculator kasi sa civil service, no? So makikita natin sa choices, puro may decimal, no? So magdagdag na agad tayo ng dalawang zero. So itapat na natin yung decimal point dito. Okay, so divide natin sa 4. 23 divided by 4. So 5 na yung sagot dito agad, no? 5 times 4, that is equal to 20. So dito pa lang pwede na tayong mag-stop kasi isa lang naman yung may 5. Letter B automatic na yung tamang sagot dito. So for the sake of discussion na lang, ipagpatuloy natin. Bring down 3 or subtract 3, bring down 9. 39 divided by 4, that is equal to 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So subtract ulit, we have 3. 39 minus 36 is 3. Bring down 0. 30 divided by 4, that is 7. 7 times 4, that is equal to 28. So last na ito, subtract, we have 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 4, eksakto na siyang 5. 5 times 4, 20 na. So wala nang remainder. So therefore, the answer is letter B, 59.75. Pero again, pag sa civil service, pag nakuha nyo na yung first number, tingin na agad sa choices, pwede nang wag ipagpatuloy para makasave ng oras. Okay, so next number tayo, number 22. So burahin muna natin. An amount of 18,400 pesos was requested for the purchase of office supplies. How much was released if 15% of the amount requested was not granted? Not granted daw yung 15%. So ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung 15% na itong 18,400. Tapos isubtract natin. So multiplication lang. 15 times 18,000, 15% times 18,400. So again, pwede tayong gumamit ng fraction, decimal, or yung chop-chop method. Para sa akin, ang gagamitin ko naman dito yung chop-chop method. Kasi itong 15%, pwede natin niyang i-chop-chop as 10% and 5%. Kasi ang total niyan ay 15%. Okay? So ito yung chop-chop method. Pinaghiwalay natin yung 15% ng 10 at 5. Bakit kinap-chop natin sa 10 at 5? Kasi ang 10%, ang shortcut sa 10%, lalo na kapag puro zero yung dulo, tanggalin lang natin yung isang zero. Ang 10% ay 1,840. Tapos yung 5% naman, yung 5% kalahati ng 10%. So therefore, ang 5% ng 18,400, kalahatiin natin itong 1,840. Kapag kinalahati natin, mentally na lang ito ha, pag kinalahati natin yung 1,900, that is 900. Eh meron pang 40. kapag kinalahati natin yung 40, may 20. So therefore, ito ay 920. So i-add lang natin ito. So 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, 18 plus 9, that is 27. So therefore, ang 15% ay 2,760. Wala sa choices yan kasi ang hinahanap natin, how much was released if 15% of the amount requested was not granted. So isasubtract pa natin ito. Ito yung hindi na-grant. Kaya subtract natin sa original request na 18,400. Subtract natin yung 2,760. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0. Borrow tayo dito. Ito magiging 10, itong 4 magiging 3. Borrow na ulit, 3 minus 7, di pwede. So gawin na natin itong 13, ito ay magiging 7. Then pwede na tayo magsimula dito sa unahan. Bring down 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 13 minus 7 is 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. So therefore, ang nag-grant lang ay 15,640. Letter A ang tamang sagot. So yun yung na-release. How much was released if 15% of the amount requested was not granted? Okay, so follow for more. Para po sa mga naghahanap ng murang math review, mapa fire officer exam man yan, or UPCAT review or college entrance test, or civil service exam, meron po akong offer na math review, 99 lang po lahat yan. Yung tatlo. So kahit alin po dyan kung anong hinahanap nyo. Fire officer exam, meron tayong 99 only, 10 sessions. Ito po yung schedule natin. MWF, tuwing May po ito. Mag-start ng May 11, matatapos ng June 1, MWF po. So ito po yung mga i-discuss natin. Madadaanan lahat ng math and logical reasoning. Tapos meron din po tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subject. Meron din tayong GCN exclusive FB group para sa only replay ng past session. So ang reviewer ko po ay Google Forms. May mga mock test din. Wala po tayong PDF, Google Forms lang po. Okay? So 99 lang po yan. All in na yan. 10 days tayo ng math review. Para sa fire officer po yan. Tapos sa UPCAT naman, June ko naman ito gaganapin. MWF din. 7 to 9 p.m. din. June 8 hanggang June 29 naman po ito. So 10 days na math review. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subject. May mock test din po. And then may exclusive FB group din po. So June po yan, yung UPCAT. Tapos, ang civil service exam naman, wala pa akong nakalagay na schedule dito, pero buong July po to MWF din, 10 sessions din. Ganon din po, meron tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subject, may mock test, at may exclusive FB group. So, naghahanap ka ng math review, alin man dyan sa tatlo, mag-PM lang po kayo sa akin.